What up, geniuses? We're talking 0.7 here, which is your rough draft. Wolfie's checking his mail behind me, so don't mind him. I just want to show you what I'm looking for you guys to do on this. You got some feedback twice from me now, right? You got feedback on the 0.4 mastery check. You got feedback from a peer or some kind of responder. And then you got some feedback from me on that 0.6 work. And now it's time to give it one last shot, knowing that you're going to get some more feedback from me before you submit your final draft. So let's just take a look at what you're submitting. All right, so this is 0.7, producing text, revising the first draft, and submitting the rough draft. This is another 20-point mastery check. And the directions are you're watching this, and then you're going to revise your first draft and insert it below. Again, it has to be 100 words. I really hope you'll have the whole essay. That's the should do. And sometimes it's hard to keep it to 500 words, so if you're above, don't sweat that too much, okay? The aspire to do is to try to get it right about 500 words. All right, so a reminder about what your final draft will be graded on. It's about 500 words. It's thoughtful in terms of the structure, with an unforgettable opening, an engaging middle, and a provocative ending. The essay uses language that's precise, delightful, thoroughly original, lyrical, poetic sentences, and your voice is unforgettable. The essay is clear, focused, and compelling, and it's free of errors. All right, so in this rough draft, I won't be grading it according to these 5 criteria. Okay, that's the final draft. But, you know, try to get as close as you can to excellence on all those 5s, and it'll be kind of a smaller step to get there for the final draft. Once again, you're going to tell me if the prompt is different than the general prompt by typing it here, and then you can put your draft right here. Here's how I will be grading this rough draft. In order to get those 20 points, you'll want to be able to have me say this about your essay. If you look at a 3, you can see it says this is a good start. The next step is to recreate an experience for the reader that shows rather than tells a positive aspect about yourself. All right, so this is, if you haven't quite gotten to the point where you're showing, where you're creating a story that explodes a moment for the reader, and that makes us feel like we are immersed in this experience, watching it almost as if it is a video, a movie, a film, something that we can see, hear, and maybe even smell and taste. Movies don't do that so much, but that's what's cool about writing and reading. Okay, so that's the plan for this one. Good luck completing this, and let me know if you have any questions or you need any more help. Thanks.